This smoothie has a special ingredient, and that is peanuts. And I make this when I'm busy because it keeps you full for a long time. The ingredients are healthy and also keeps you full. So peanuts for about 6 to 8 hours. You can rinse it with water. And now we are going to blend it. For sweeteners, I'm adding dates, but you can add any sweeteners of your choice. I'm going to add cardamom to this. Cardamom is very good for digestion. And crush the cardamom when you're ready to use because it will release those flavors. I'm going to discard the skin and I use it in herbal tea. Never throw out anything in the kitchen from the food. Everything is useful. So if you crush and keep the cardamom, the flavor gets lost over time. So crush it fresh. I'm adding dates. 2 dates makes it nice and sweet, but for me 1 is enough. Banana. If you're adding any other fruit which is not that sweet, you can add more dates or any other sweetener. Blend it with little bit of water, or you can take any other vegan milk like almond milk, coconut milk, and adjust the consistency. This is like a thick one. You can make it more thinner also, and top it off with fruits and nuts of your choice. Do try this and let me know how it was, and thank you for watching.